Turkey Day. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Cooking in the kitchen. Nicole is stuffing the bird. We've got some white onions and just quarters of lemon. It's going to definitely help with adding a little bit of moisture to the turkey. And then what you'll see here is we've got the butter over here that has fresh thyme in it. She's going to pull up the skin away from the meat and rub it. That'll give extra fat for the turkey to just drip through it all, keep it nice and moist. All right, so we've kind of pulled back some of the skin away from the actual meat, and we're just gonna push all the butter in throughout everywhere, getting it all through everything. Yep. Lathered that baby up. Oh. Oh yeah, make sure to get the legs. All right, guys. So she's done some chicken broth on the bottom.
And white wine.
White wine. And then we've got this set at 450. And depending on the size of the bird, weight, that's going to depend on the cooking times.
Well, it's 450 for the first 30 minutes, and then after that you rotate it halfway and then drop it to 350 and cook another 2 hours.
All right, adios, dude. All right, guys, now on to the stuffing. Of course, we're doing gluten-free. Just get your, find any type of white bread. You can make it at home, get it at the store. It has to be gluten-free for us.
We chose sourdough.
This is a sourdough one, so we like to change it up. So it's gonna go in the oven just to kind of crisp up, and then we will get on to the mixture for the bread. All right, toasting it up. All right, peel them all, clean them, cut them.
Getting ready for carrot puree.
Oh yeah, we're doing carrot puree. Kind of like mashed potatoes, but with carrots. Something we had similar in London. All right, we're just melting some butter here, adding some freshly chopped celery. We've got golden raisins, garlic, sage, and thyme. We're gonna put in here.
You just saute this first, make it nice and tender, and then you add in just the thyme and the sage. The raisins come later.
And then when we have this all done, we're gonna mix it in with all the bread. Nice and toasted here, and then you do chicken broth or vegetable broth if you're vegan, and some egg. All right, so we're doing the egg mixture into the broth here, and you want to keep stirring just so the egg doesn't set up and you have scrambled egg throughout everything. Then from here, we're gonna add the bread and the celery mixture to this, and then it goes in the pan. And all mixed together. Now it goes in here. Ooh. That's gonna taste amazing. All right, time to dunk these babies and coat them. I wanted to stir them all around, get all the egg mixture coated on them, let it soak into the bread. You can't do the bread soft, so because then it just becomes mush. That's why you either wanna leave it out for a day, get it hard, or you do what we did, which is some bacon in the oven, then you get the nice toastiness on it. We're just gonna spread it out in the pan, make sure it's all even, tucked in the corners, and then you're gonna cover it with aluminum foil so it doesn't get burnt. You basically just want that egg mixture to cook in with the bread. All right, now on to pie time. So you take all the yummy pumpkin mix, got 4 eggs.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
We've got cinnamon, we have nutmeg, we have ground ginger. And then I'm using evaporated milk with some cane sugar as opposed to the sweetened condensed milk.
We're trying to go the healthier route here.
It's kind of healthy.
Oh, looks good. So we're gonna mix this together. We already got a gluten-free pie crust from the store. So you just basically have to beat this all together. Don't shoot your husband with the juice. And then you pour this into the pie, and then we do it at 425 for how long?
I don't know yet.
Maybe half an hour, I don't know. We'll let you know when we take it out how long it was. All right, so we're gonna do our whipped carrots. Got them in the blender here. And some olive oil, cayenne pepper, cumin, garlic, and some yogurt. All right, the bird is out. Let this baby rest a little bit. It'll keep cooking as you pull it out. Just make sure you get it to the right temperature with your thermometer. Don't need anyone getting sick. Is that your turkey? Shall we call you the Bumpus's dog? All right, table is set. Got the puppy food there. Mashed potato, gravy. And we're doing caduceus cellars, arrabbiata. All right, let's dig in.